Your local police's sonic cannon can deafen you at the flick of a switch. And I'll play it for you, but it doesn't sound how you'd expect. It's called the LRAD in over 500 cities across the US, and it's so loud that if you're caught in its path, it'll pass the threshold of pain, rupture your eardrums from 30 feet away, and even cause nausea, vomiting, and vertigo. Already multiple people have gone deaf, with one even suffering permanent nerve damage from standing too close. And police will use these to pump out sirens at the same frequencies as nails on a chalkboard. So here's what one sounds like.